This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 29 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which guides you through learning 3 more melodic minor scales, applying the method outlined in lesson 28. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. For the C sequence, we begin with the scale and arpeggio of C major. When converting the C major arpeggio to a C minor arpeggio, you will need to remember to change the fingering for C at the bottom of the second register from the right hand to the left hand. When building both forms of the C minor scale from this arpeggio, you should return to using the right hand fingering for this C. The harmonic minor and the melodic minor ascending cross the break via the natural break fingering pattern. The melodic minor descending follows the flat break fingering pattern. Exercise 50 helps with the scale of C melodic minor. Here is the C sequence. The G sequence is more straightforward. G major is a natural pattern scale, while G minor in both forms is a flat pattern scale. Exercise 51 is for the development of G melodic minor. Here is the G sequence. We also apply the same method to learn the D sequence. You will already be aware that D harmonic minor does not follow any of the standard break fingering patterns. D melodic minor ascends through the sharp pattern and descends through the flat pattern. You will find that 5 of the melodic minor scales cross via different patterns depending on whether they are ascending or descending. C minor, C sharp minor, D minor, D sharp or E flat minor, and E minor. Exercise 52 will help you get used to the change of fingering pattern in D minor. Here is the D sequence. You will see that in Practice Plan 29, one of the items is listed simply as A sequence, meaning 3 scales and 2 arpeggios. As you progress through learning the 12 sequences, the practice plans will appear to get shorter, but I'm afraid this is not really the case. You are working at an advanced level and should expect your daily practice sessions to increase in length as you go. It is still very important to drill everything regularly.